Okay, in this lecture we will discuss the relationship between machine learning and artificial intelligence. And here's our lesson objective. Okay, so artificial intelligence, you can think of it as kind of a large toolkit of different algorithmic techniques that are designed to reason about situations, mimic human understanding, mimic human reasoning, and so forth. And within that is machine learning, is one type of artificial intelligence. But there are other areas outside of machine learning, including things like game theory, logical inference, genetic algorithms, and search, that you may have heard of A star. These are all other artificial intelligence techniques. They are outside the scope of our machine learning course, but they would be definitely covered in courses on AI. Now, within machine learning, we have deep learning. So deep learning is a subset of machine learning. There are other techniques besides deep learning. It is extremely powerful, and we will cover it in great detail, but is just one of several approaches. There are things like decision trees and random forests, gradient-boosted decision trees. There are statistical machine learning approaches, mainly around things like regression model and Bayesian type models, and then other variants like I mentioned, random forest. So one little joke within the field of AI is when it starts to work, people stop calling it AI, and we see this all the time. So Netflix, 20 years ago, you might have called what they're doing artificial intelligence, but now it's referred to as recommender systems. Google uses what's called information retrieval, but really underlying it, there is AI and machine learning techniques for their search engine. Your GPS uses an artificial intelligence technique in the path planning, but again, this is often just referred to as a search heuristic. But keep in mind, deep learning and machine learning, they're both just subdisciplines of artificial intelligence, just like you can think of calculus or trigonometry as being disciplines of mathematics. So anyway, this concludes the lecture on the relationship between AI and machine learning.